everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation at Country Craft Creations, and today I'm here to share with you my design team package. I just received it yesterday and I'm really excited about it. This is gorgeous, you guys. It's gorgeous. This is Graphic 45, Season to Celebrate, and it is a beautiful calendar collection. And honestly, I've just kind of splayed it out here, but I haven't really looked through it yet. So I'm just as excited as you are to show you, what these look like. So this is my design team package. Again, this is for Country Craft Creations. You can go to the store at countrycraftcreations.com, and I have links below to all of these products, so you can just go directly to them and go ahead and grab your supplies. And I'm going to go through these with you. So I just am super excited. So this is what I'm going to be working on for the rest of December and the first part of January. And as I was kind of splaying these things out, I decided kind of what my project's going to be. And so I'm going to get to working on that as soon as I get done with this video. So let's start off with these antique brass claw feet that I got from the design team package. This is by Graphic 45, so I can already tell you that there is going to be a box involved in this project. So I need to use these feet. They're just adorable. I love them, and they are fun to use. So there will be a box associated with this. So I did receive those. And then I also received 2 yards each of this ribbon. So the first one is this 3/4 inch ivory ribbon. And then I received 2 yards of the light pink seam binding, and then the Kelly green seam binding. And I think that the colors look absolutely beautiful with this collection. So I am happy about that. So again, I got 2 yards each of that. The ephemera that I got to go with it is the awesome package of calendar cards. And this again is the Graphic 45 calendar ephemera card piece. There are 4x6 cards. There's 24 in each pack, so I pulled out 12 of them. I'll show those to you. They're gorgeous. They're just gorgeous. So on the fronts of them, they have the small calendar and the beautiful graphics for the month. But then on the back, you also have another graphic as well. So that is January. Here's February. And it's a larger image of the image up in here. So there's March. Aren't these beautiful? I love the colors. They're gorgeous. Teapots. And you guys, I am a tea girl. I drink tea. I don't drink coffee. Tea has always been my go-to, so this is amazing. I love it. Look at the sunflower and the bird. So cute. So here is July. And then we go into August. I just think the colors are perfect for the months. I just think so. So obviously there's going to be some sort of a monthly project in my brain. I've got some ideas. So I'm really excited about that. It's always fun to start the brand new year with a new calendar or a new monthly journal, something like that. So, hey, that's what we're going to work on. So I got 24 total of these cards, so 2 for each month. So I received that. And then here's the paper collection. So I received the pattern paper collection, and then I received the solids pack. I got a couple of other pieces that I'm going to show you, but we'll just go through this. Again, Season to Celebrate, and I have 2 of each of the papers. So there's one side, there's the other. So this one is Winter Floral. Beautiful papers. This is Winter Cut Apart. Aren't they gorgeous? And the back side of that, just beautiful. This one is the Summer Cut Apart. I love the images on this. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And so many different sizes too, which make it really fun to use. So there's the back of that. This one is the Summer Floral. And again, I got 2 sheets of each of these. And I think they're really pretty. I love the colors. Here is the Autumn Cut Apart. I really like the different sizes too. And you have tags, you have some border strips. Just beautiful. Gorgeous colors. You'll have to excuse me, I've been sick. So I'm not, my voice isn't quite up to par. Here is the Spring Cut Apart. So you can see they're all done in the different quarters of the year, the different seasons of the year. Here's spring, the floral. Beautiful, beautiful papers. I love it. So you have all those. And then I received the 12 by 12 solids pack. So this here, we'll just go through this. There's 3 of each. No, excuse me. I'm sorry. There's 4 of each color, and I got the 4 colors. So this one is the darker blue solid, and then the pattern blue on the back. And then here's the green. So I got 4 of those. Oh, wait. You know what? I goofed. So there's the... there's 2 different patterns on the back. So you have that right there, 2 of those, and then the backs of those are all solid colors. So I'm sorry about that. I goofed on that. So on this one here, the greens, I have a floral and a stripe here. And on the pink here, I have the solids and then the floral and the stripe on that. And then here on this more burgundy, I have 2 each of the floral and then that beautiful kind of checked pattern here with the beautiful designs in there. Just love it. The other thing that I did receive were 2 each of the My Colors papers. And this one here is called Bonsai. It's a beautiful green and it matches everything just perfectly. Then I got the Gold Zinnia, which is a dotted embossed paper, which is really beautiful. 2 of those, and then I got 2 of the ecru that has kind of the texture on the front. Just absolutely gorgeous. The other thing that I did get in the package were 2 sheets of lightweight chipboard. So again, because you know I've got the lightweight chipboard and I have the claw feet here, I'm going to be doing a box project with this, and I already have some ideas on how I'm going to incorporate this into a beautiful year-long project that you will be able to create and then use throughout the year. So go ahead and run over to Country Craft Creations. Again, all of the links are below, and get your paper collection. This is Season to Celebrate by Graphic 45. It's absolutely stunning. Everything's linked below, and for those of you who are new to my channel or haven't seen this before, these are Country Craft Creations design team projects. We have many designers that do free projects every single month throughout the year. If you're not familiar with our Facebook page, again, link down below so you can join, and you'll be notified of all of our projects, all of our retreats, our virtuals, our in-persons, our crops. We've got a crop coming up for New Year's Eve that you won't want to miss. So go check out the links below. Check out the site if you haven't, and get your supplies. I'll be back as soon as I possibly can with some tutorials for you that you're going to absolutely love using this paper collection. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with a project. Take care and stay crafty. See you in a little bit. Bye-bye.